Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chef Yohei Kamiya. How are you today? Alright, this time I made a video about makanai. Makanai means in Japanese means employee meal. So my coworker he bring for me a whole chicken and hey Yohei, make some food. I said okay, like you know. I'm making the employee meal every day, and so this time, so yeah, I got the whole chicken. So if one or two dishes that's boring, so I made four kind of dishes. So maybe you can enjoy, and yeah, hope so you guys try to cook, or you guys can enjoy. So just check it out. Let's cook it. Yes, this time I made a soup, chicken with some vegetable and a lot of flavor. So maybe this is you can make a ramen soup too. But this time I made spicy chicken vegetable soup. This is the chicken breast. Put the salt and pepper and sake, or if you don't have a sake, put the white wine and steam 20 minutes. Alright, slice the chicken and slice the cucumber. I put the cucumber under the chicken and put the chili garlic dressing with sesame and scallion. It is very healthy and yummy. Alright, next the chicken wings. I put the salt and pepper and cornstarch, deep fried 7 to 8 minutes. It's very simple. This sauce for chicken wings, I put the soy sauce and vinegar and mirin. It's like a kind of a ponzu sauce, and I put the sesame and scallion. I will make a Japanese style buffalo chicken. Sounds good? This is dipping sauce, Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise with onion, tomato, and I put jalapeno this time. Buffalo chicken wings, Oriental Japanese style. Alright, this is the chicken legs. I'm making fried chicken. It's Japanese style. We call it karaage. So I put here soy sauce and sake and a little bit garlic and chili pepper. And this time I put ground apple. Maybe it's good flavor. And soak the 20 or 30 minutes. And after that, I put a potato starch with cornstarch mix and deep fry. Japanese style fried chicken, we call it karaage. This time we call it spicy karaage. So right now I'm cooking. So what's the difference between fried chicken and karaage? So karaage, I put the soy sauce and some apple, ground apple and garlic, something like that. I soaked into the meat. That's a karaage. Okay, so I made the chicken, a lot of chicken, and then my coworker he created like that. Check it out, sour sauce. You can create like this. Ooh, what sauce? What is this?
Ranch.
Wow, ranch sauce and dressing. Perfecto. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This time so I made a makanai. Makanai means employee meal. So I got 4 kind of dishes. So I hope you guys can enjoy, and I have a lot of Japanese cooking channel. So I hope you guys subscribe my channel. I mean, not hope. Please subscribe my channel and please click good button. Please don't forget. Alright, so see you next time. Bye bye.